In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise ticket to Salesforce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, what to write, and how to send your message so it reaches the right support channel without any confusion. Start by opening Salesforce in your web browser and signing in as you normally would. Make sure you're in the correct environment for the issue you're reporting, such as production or the relevant sandbox. Having the page open where the problem occurs can help you describe things clearly. If multiple browser tabs are open, keep the one with the issue handy so you can reference it while writing your message. Once you're in Salesforce, look to the top right corner of the screen for the help icon. In Lightning Experience, it typically appears as a question mark inside a circle. Click that icon to open the help panel. If your window is narrow, the icon can be hidden behind a menu. Maximizing the window or expanding the header usually reveals it. The Help panel is your gateway to Salesforce resources and support, and it's designed to guide you quickly to answers or to a place where you can contact support. With the Help panel open, you'll see a field where you can type your message. Use this space to clearly explain what you need. Begin with a short summary line that captures the core problem. Then add a brief but thorough description. Include the exact steps you took before the issue appeared, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. If an error appears, include the exact error text or code. Add helpful context such as the page or feature you were using, the date and approximate time you encountered the problem, and the browser and operating system you're on. Keep your tone concise and factual. Most importantly, do not include sensitive information like passwords, personal data, or any confidential credentials. Clear, well-structured messages help support, understand, and resolve your issue faster. When your message is ready, press enter to send it through the help panel. You should see it submitted right away. Stay on the page for a moment to confirm that it went through and to view any automated suggestions or next steps that may appear. If the panel offers related help articles, scan them quickly. Sometimes a recommended article resolves the issue immediately. That's all there is to it. Open Salesforce, click the help icon. Type a precise, safe, and complete message and hit enter. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get fast, effective support in Salesforce.